Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen we're making some easy, delicious banana pancakes. So let's get started. First off, into a bowl we're gonna add the dry ingredients, starting with 1 cup or 120 grams of all-purpose flour. That's 120 grams exactly. All this was leftover flour in my cup. So if you're using a measuring cup, fluff the flour and sprinkle it into your cup, then level it off. 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. This goes a long way. A little kiss of sweetness, but it also will soften the texture of our pancakes. I still remember I had some pancakes made from a mix, and for some reason, the mix had no sugar in it. You could just tell. And the pancakes were dry and cardboardy. It was so wild. To fluff things up, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. We're of course using fresh bananas, and those add a lot of moisture and mass, so we need the baking powder to really fluff up. Bam! And for some contrast, a ½ teaspoon of salt. My scale is done. Let's grab a whisk. Give it a whisk. And by the way, if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button. There's 2 new recipes every single week. All whisked up, we can set that aside and grab another bowl, as well as 2 large ripe bananas. Look at these spotted browning bananas. This is the perfect time to use them for this recipe or for banana muffins or banana bread. If your bananas are nice and yellow or even a little greenish, don't use them for this yet. Pop them onto a baking tray. 10 minutes, 350. They'll be brown and mushy and perfect for using for baking or for these pancakes. 1 and 2. I'm gonna give this a mash, but I like to have some chunks left for texture, so, don't go overboard. And you can see these are mashing really easily because they're nice and ripe. I think of pancakes as an American invention because they're really popular here, and these that we know and love came from Johnny cakes or hoe cakes, which are a colonial dish. But there are versions of pancakes throughout history, including in ancient Greece. Okay, mushy but with some texture, we're ready to add the rest of our wet ingredients. To my bananas, I'm adding 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, right in there. Your pancakes need a little bit of sugar so you get that nice, beautiful golden caramelization on the outside and the soft texture, but they also need butter so they have a richness. Pancakes are cakes. Cakes have fat in them. 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, room temperature please, and finally a teaspoon of vanilla extract. If you're like me and you don't have the wherewithal to make complicated recipes in the morning, or maybe do anything aside from sipping your coffee, you could have the dry ingredients ready the night before, and you could do the wet ingredients that morning, or even have this hanging out in the fridge minus the melted butter. Combine them and you're good to go. Give this a whisk. Nicely mixed up, and we're ready to combine. But there are a few things you could have done differently so far. To the dry mixture, you could have added some warming spices like cinnamon or nutmeg. Always a nice choice with bananas. You could have used brown sugar instead of granulated sugar for a little extra hit of caramel. And there are mix-ins you could add as well. A handful of chocolate chips, some chopped nuts, anything that you really enjoy. That being said, we're ready to combine. So pour the wet into the dry. We're gonna stir this until it is just combined, maybe 1 or 2 streaks remaining. You don't wanna overmix this batter because you want your pancakes to be cakey and fluffy and melt in your mouth. And if you overmix, they can become gummy and dense. Scrape the bowl down as you mix. There we go. Lovely. It's time to cook these up, so grab a large pan or your griddle and set it over medium heat. So you could use a pan or a griddle. I'm using a griddle today, and you need some oil or butter. Grab about a tablespoon, I would say, and just zhuzh that over the top. The butter is not really so much so the pancake doesn't stick, it's to give you that beautiful golden, like, you're frying it basically. So it's adding a little bit of richness. Set your pan or griddle to medium heat. You don't want to burn these, and you don't want to be waiting forever and overcook them. So medium heat is going to be just perfect. Each pancake should be about 1/4 of a cup, so grab that and plop that onto your griddle. If you want larger pancakes, you can make that happen. These will cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see those bubbles on the surface and they're golden brown on the bottom. It's the smallest baby pancake in the center. So right now these are bubbling on top, but they're not golden brown yet, so refrain from flipping. On the subject of time savers, you can make these in advance when you have the time and energy, and then freeze them for later. Allow them to cool to room temperature and layer between parchment paper so they don't stick. Pop those into a freezer bag and they can hang out in your freezer for up to 2 months. Once you're ready to reheat them, you can microwave them in increments of 20 seconds, or if you have a large batch, you can pop those onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 for 8 to 10 minutes. I took a little peek and I think they're ready, so it's time to flip. With confidence. The baby and the big one. These will cook for an additional minute or until they're golden brown on the bottom. Once your pancakes are golden brown on the bottom, transfer them to a plate and we're going to continue the process. If you want them to all be perfectly warm, you can transfer these to a wire rack or a baking sheet and keep them in the oven at 250 until everything's done. My favorite's the baby. Once the first batch is done, we need more butter and more batter. Drizzle with maple syrup and top with slices of banana, and just like that, your banana pancakes are ready to enjoy. Tender, melt in your mouth, perfectly sweet and blessed with banana. I hope you get a chance to make this delicious recipe. And if you like my videos, hit that subscribe button and check out my breakfast playlist.